Hi, my dear friends. Today we are going to the second part of the story, The Tempest. Till now, we have seen characters like Caliban, Miranda, Prospero. Miranda is a daughter of Prospero, and Prospero has some magical powers. He has many spirits who obeys him, and Miranda and Prospero are the only two living beings, humans, living in the island, and Caliban is a monster. He is a slave to Prospero. And Prospero, in the previous paragraph, Prospero was showing Miranda a huge storm that is happening in the sea, which is caused by him. But she doesn't know that. And in that storm, a ship is getting wrecked. Wrecked means getting destroyed. Let us read this paragraph. Be not so amazed, daughter Miranda. You should not be so much amazed, daughter Miranda, said Prospero. There is no harm done. There is no harm done. I have so ordered it that no person in the ship shall receive any hurt. What I have done has been in care of you, my dear child. So Prospero is telling Miranda, there is no harm done. I have done no harm. I am not making them suffer. I have so ordered it. It is me who has done it, that no person in the ship shall receive any hurt. I have done it so that no one in the ship will get hurt. Everyone will be safe. What I have done has been in care of you, my dear child. What I have done is because of you, my dear child. You are ignorant who you are. You don't know who you are or where you come from. You have only memory of you staying in this island. You don't know from where you came. And you know no more of me. And you don't know about me also. But that I am your father. You only know that I am your father. You don't know who I was before. And live in this poor cave. Can you remember a time before you come to this cell? Can you remember a time when you haven't? Can you remember anything beyond this island? I think you cannot, for you were not then 3 years of age. I believe that you cannot, because you were not then 3 years of age. Because while you came to this island, you were only 3 years old. So at that time, you may not have that memory of being an infant. But Miranda replied, certainly I can, sir. I can remember. By what? Asked Prospero. By any other house or person? Can you remember a house or person? Tell me what you can remember, my child. Please tell me what you remember. Miranda said, it seems to me like the recollection of a dream. It appears to me that something like a dream. But had I not once four or Eve woman who attended upon me? But has it not been at once some women who were attending upon me, who were helping me? Prospero answered, you had and more. You had more than few. How is it that this still lives in your mind? How you can still remember? Do you remember how you came here? Do you also remember how you came here? No, sir, said Miranda. I remember nothing more. 12 years ago, Miranda, continued Prospero. Prospero is telling how they came. 12 years ago, Miranda, continued Prospero, I was Duke of Milan, and you were a princess and my only heir. What is here? There are three words that you may not know. The one is Duke, and the other is princess, that you may know. Princess is the daughter of a king, and the other is heir. Let us analyze, recollect, find out what is the meaning of duke and heir. Duke, a male holding the highest hereditary title in the British and certain other barracks. It means that it is a position like the king, like for example, like prime minister, ministers, chief ministers, central ministers, chief minister. In the same way, while a king ruled, the duke is a position. Let us find out whether there is anything else. Here we can find out that a duke can either be a monarch, monarch means king, ranked below the emperor, king, and grand duke, ruling over a duchy or a member of royalty or nobility. So a duke can either be a monarch ranked below the emperor. So a duke can be someone who is just below the king, who is ruling some nobility, some noble people. Who are noble people? Noble people in this hierarchical, in this order, in the same way in our chief minister, ministers, then MPs, MLAs, councillors. Nobility is somewhat that comes under ministers or chief ministers, while duke is somewhat like central ministers, or somewhere around that, like that. I'm just giving you an idea. Let us see some images of a duke. In here, you can see that this is Prince Harry and his wife Meghan, and they are the Duke and the Duchess of Sussex. Sussex is a portion of England, a part of England. So let us get back to the story. And there is one more word that we don't know. That is heir. Heir means that it is not, there is a different meaning. This is heir. Heir means a successor, a person who comes, who follows the throne. That means that if a king dies, who will be the other one that gets into the throne? That is heir. Usually, heir is the eldest son. And you may confuse heir with heir. This is a part of our head, and there is a difference between hair and hair. I had a younger brother whose name was Antonio. So Prospero is telling, I was a Duke of Milan. I was a Duke. I was just below the king. And you were a princess. You were my daughter and you were a princess and my only heir. You should have been the sole possessor of the throne. You should be the queen one day. I had a younger brother whose name was Antonio, to whom I trusted everything. To whom I trusted everything. I trusted him with all my heart. And as I was fond of retirement and deep study, so our Prospero, this Duke, was very much interested in studying, and he often moved away from his duty as a Duke and went to study and read. In here, the study means reading books. I commonly left the management of my state affairs to your uncle. So I gave him the authority to manage everything, to manage my affairs, the office duties. My false brother, he was false, he was bad, for so indeed he proved. After that he proved that he was a bad brother. The meaning of neglecting is that avoiding. I neglecting all worldly ends. I neglected all worldly ends. Buried among my books. I was totally into my books. Did dedicate my whole time to the bettering of my mind. Dedicate means totally into, totally involving my whole time to the bettering of my mind. Bettering of the mind means to enlarge my mind. You know that after you study or while if you read too much, your mind will enlarge and your thinking will expand. That is the part of a civilization. A civilization grows with study, reading. My brother Antonio, being thus in possession of my power, began to think himself the Duke indeed. But what happened? I gave permission for Antonio to look after the affairs. But, like most people, Antonio's greed for power. What is the meaning of greed? Greed means wanting too much. You know that if I have a too much greed, I will eat too much. I want too much money. Like that, he become greedy. He become greedy of power, which is extremely dangerous thing. And he thought that he is Duke himself. So what happened? He thought that he is the Duke. The opportunity I gave him of making himself popular among my subjects awakened in his bad nature a proud ambition to deprive me of my dukedom. So Prospero is telling that I gave him a chance to become popular among the people. If he do the duty of a duke, he will become popular. He will have to visit the people. He will have to mingle with them. He can do many better things and the people will say good things about him. But because of his bad nature, he is saying in here you can see, because of his bad nature, a proud ambition to deprive me of my dukedom. So something began to awaken. What is the meaning of awakened? Awakened means rouse from sleep, goes to sleeping. Rouse a feeling. What is the meaning of rouse? Rouse means rise. There is a feeling that is coming inside you. From inside you, something is growing up. Rouse. So, what happened to this Antonio? In his bad nature, a proud ambition to deprive me of dukedom. So, something roused inside him. Some ambition. Ambition. What is ambition? Ambition means that ambition means a strong desire to do or achieve something. You know that if you want to, for example, Indian movies like Bag Milka Bag, the Priyanka Chopra starred Mary Com's movie, and many sports movies, we can see in these movies that the ambition, or in the case of biographies, you can see that people do many great things because of ambition, a strong desire, a strong feeling that they want to do something, and that is called ambition. Teachers often says that you need some ambition in your life. And yes, it is good to have some ambition, but it should not harm people or make others sad. This he soon effected with the aid of the king of Naples. So what happened? This Antonio, brother of Prospero, asked the help of the king of Naples, and he was a powerful prince. This Naples was a powerful prince. Now we know that prince is a son of a king, and he was a powerful one who was my enemy. And what this king of Naples was the enemy of Prospero. Wherefore, said Miranda, did they note that our destroyers? Wherefore, then Miranda asking, with her common sense, she is asking that, then why didn't they destroy us? Why did they let us leave? Why did we end up in an island? My child, answered her father, they does not. So dear was the love that my people bore me. Here, Prospero is telling his people loved him very much. So they didn't try to destroy him and his daughter in front of the people. Antonio carried us on board a ship. So how did they plan it? Antonio boarded them into a ship. What is the meaning of board? Here you can see, but I will give you some, for example, the ship. It is a phrase. It means that the words does not have a meaning, but when the words comes together, it has a particular meaning. When you are on board a train, ship or aircraft, you are on it or in it. For example, we usually hear in the case of airplanes, we say that you board, the boarding. We hear that word. They arrived at Gatwick Airport on board a plane chartered by the Italian government. Boarding means getting into. We are getting into the plane. We should get into the plane, getting into the plane or ship. We can see here some of the images of how people are getting into the ship. This is a terminal. This is a ship and how they are getting into. In here we can see that there is a war going on between ships, and some people from the other ship is getting into this ship and this is somewhat owned by government, because we can see some symbols of them. uniforms, pirates getting on board into a ship. And here you can see from helicopter people are getting into boarding a ship, probably a oil vessel. So let us leave our class in here. This is the second part of the story, and let us continue in the next class.